Welcome to the Exchange Daily. Starting this week, we're changing it up a bit. Each day from Monday through Saturday, we'll focus on one of the 6 pillars of the PAVE framework: policy-aware validation and estimation. This structure helps us deliver targeted, high-impact intelligence aligned with how federal and enterprise leaders actually evaluate and validate major IT, cyber, and acquisition investments under the FY 2026 NDAA. The weekly lineup runs as follows. Monday covers Pillar A on mission alignment and business outcomes. Tuesday focuses on Pillar B, policy and compliance. Wednesday addresses Pillar C, cost, financial benchmarking and workforce. Thursday covers Pillar D, technical viability and architecture. Friday is Pillar E, user experience and human systems integration, which is today's topic. And Saturday wraps the week with Pillar F, security and risk. Section 1801 of the FY 2026 National Defense Authorization Act places new emphasis on ensuring that acquisition guidance is explicitly validated by direct end-user engagement, rapid prototyping, and continuous iterative feedback loops. This provision is designed to move programs beyond the traditional minimum viable product mindset and toward delivery of minimum viable capability releases that are truly ready for field deployment, without stripping out critical infrastructure or operational software. For cyber tools, command and control systems, and enterprise platforms, this means human-centered design validation must be baked into every major milestone, rather than treated as an afterthought. A central challenge in delivering effective human systems integration remains cognitive load management. Federal operators and warfighters often work in high-stress environments where excessive interface complexity or poor information hierarchy leads to slower decision-making and higher error rates. Programs that apply structured cognitive load baseline testing during design and prototyping phases consistently show better adoption rates and operational effectiveness. Acquisition leaders should require vendors to demonstrate measurable reductions in cognitive load as part of source selection and test and evaluation criteria. The rise of agentic interfaces, systems that can autonomously plan, execute, and adapt tasks on behalf of the user, introduces both opportunity and risk. While these interfaces can dramatically reduce manual workload, they must be designed with clear human-in-the-loop oversight mechanisms and transparent explainability. Federal programs are now being directed to validate that agentic capabilities include appropriate guardrails so that automation augments rather than replaces human judgment in high-consequence environments. Human-centered design principles are moving from nice-to-have recommendations to contractual expectations under the evolving acquisition framework. This includes early and continuous involvement of actual end users throughout the development lifecycle to prevent what has been termed vibe coding, where developers build features based on assumptions rather than validated user needs. Programs that fail to incorporate rigorous HIDL design verification risk, delivering systems that look impressive in the lab but underperform in real operational conditions. To operationalize these requirements, organizations should establish formal cognitive load baselines and conduct regular usability testing with representative user cohorts. This is particularly important for cyber defense tools, intelligence platforms, and logistics systems, where operator performance directly affects mission outcomes. Integrating these practices early helps reduce training time, minimize operational errors, and accelerate the transition from prototype to fielded capability. The combination of Section 1801's emphasis on end-user validation and the broader push toward agentic and AI-enabled systems creates a clear mandate for stronger human systems integration. Programs that treat user experience and cognitive performance as core architectural concerns rather than surface-level polish will be better positioned to deliver measurable mission value under the FY 2026 framework. That's the exchange for today. Remember, guesswork isn't a strategy. We'll see you next time for the 5 minutes that secure your next 24 hours. The Exchange newscasts and newsletters are productions of Matora Solutions, LLC. Matora is both a hub zone and a service-disabled veteran-owned small business. While every effort is made to keep details accurate as of publication time, Readers and listeners should always confirm time-sensitive items, such as policy changes, budget figures, and timelines directly with official documents and briefings. The exchange is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal, investment, procurement, security, compliance, technical, or any other form of professional advice. No attorney-client, advisor-client, or other professional relationship is created by listening to or reading this content. Always consult qualified professionals and validate with primary sources before taking any action. All information is from publicly available sources. All rights reserved. Copyright Matora Solutions LLC 2026.